How to use the sampling kit. Let's start by opening the box and take out the whole kit. Press the button to open the lid. It will remain open during sampling. Write the sampling location on the cassette, for example, kitchen or living room. Remove both flaps and keep on a clean surface. Insert the cassette into the pump. Plug in the device. Turn on the pump. The pump will turn off automatically after 5 minutes. Remove the cassette and close the sides with the flaps. Put everything back in the box with the form filled and signed. Return the box within 24 hours. Thank you for choosing Solero Group.